Exploring climatic smart agriculture's impact on maize, enhancing productivity and food security through innovation by Balarabe Said Muhammad. Presentation overview. Introduction to climate change. I will begin with an overview of climate change, focusing on the global effects and specific implications for agriculture in Nigeria. Maize productivity issues and exploration of the challenges faced in maize production due to changing climatic conditions. Introduction. Climate change and agriculture. Impact of climate change. Climate change poses significant risk to agriculture, particularly through erratic weather patterns that disrupt crop yields. Importance of agriculture in Nigeria. Agriculture is vital for Nigeria's economic development, providing livelihoods for over 70% of the population. The role of CSA in Nigeria. Sustainable agricultural practices. CSA promotes sustainable farming techniques that improve productivity and adapt to climate change effects. Statement of the problem. Climate change impact. Climate change significantly affects maize production in Nigeria, leading to reduced yields and increased vulnerability to pests. Challenges faced by farmers. Climate-induced challenges. Farmers are facing significant challenges due to climate-induced factors such as droughts and floods affecting crop yields. Increased pest activity. Increased pest activity is another challenge for farmers, leading to lower maize productivity and impacting food scarcity. Research questions. What are the key climate smart agriculture (CSA) practices adopted by maize farmers in Obi local government area of Nasarawa State? How do CSA practices affect maize productivity in terms of yield and resilience to climate-related stocks? What is the relationship between CSA adoption and food security among maize farmers in Obi local government area? What farmers influence the adoption of CSA practices among farmers in Obi local government? Research objectives. The objectives of this research are: 1. To identify and assess the CSA practices implemented by maize farmers in Obi local government, Nasarawa State. To evaluate the impact of CSA on maize productivity, including yield improvements and resilience to climate-related risks. To examine the relationship between CSA adoption and food security outcomes among maize farmers in the region. To analyze the factors influencing the adoption and implementation of CSA practices in Obi. Significance of the study. Contribution to knowledge. This study will enhance the understanding of climate-smart agriculture practices, specifically related to maize farming in Nigeria. Evidence-based insights. The study will provide data-driven insights that demonstrate the effectiveness of CSA practices in enhancing agricultural productivity. Importance for policy and practice. Informing policymakers. This research provides critical insights that can guide policymakers in developing effective climate-smart agriculture strategies. Supporting smallholder farmers. The findings will aid smallholders farmers in understanding and adopting effective practices for climate resilience and food security. Scope of the study. Maize farmers in the local government area. The study centers on maize farmers in the local government area, highlighting their agricultural practices and challenges. CSA practices focus on the study. Soil conservation techniques. Implementing soil conservation techniques is essential for maintaining soil health and preventing erosion in maize farming. Drought-resistant maize varieties. Introducing drought-resistant maize varieties helps farmers adapt to challenging literature review, climate change and agriculture. Impact on crop yields. Nigerian farmers are experiencing reduced yields in key crops due to various climate-induced stresses affecting food security. Research methodology overview. Thematic analysis. Thematic analysis will be used to identify key themes related to climate smart agriculture, productivity, and food security. Descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics will summarize and describe the main features of the data collection, in the study. Correlation analysis. Correlation analysis will, will evaluate the relationship between CSA adoption and its outcomes, revealing patterns in the data. Ethical considerations. Informed consent. Participants will be fully informed about the study to ensure they can provide voluntary consent before participating. Expected outcomes of the study. Understanding CSA practices. The research will enhance understanding of climate-smart agriculture CSA practices and their broader impacts on farming. Assessing CSA effectiveness. Thank you.